This is just a quick little exercise in learning how to find your first position without tapes. Now, I'll have tapes. I'll demonstrate it without tapes. Again, my eyes will be shut. Put our hand down. We will use this harmonic technique. We are learning the technique of finding the first position with the harmonic, second harmonic of the string up. We're on the C, and I want to take this hand and play it accurately, right on point. And how do I learn that? Is we can use this harmonic using our little finger, and you will find where that note is. That's the note. When you have found it, only touching here, because here and here are necessary for vibration. The string must vibrate. When you have found that, place your other fingers, push down without moving. Last, space your fingers back. And if you think you are correct, 3, 1, 0. Return back to 4. Play the harmonic. And the last thing I'm showing you is what's happening on the back of the neck. My thumb stays in contact as well. So it's not just the little finger, it's also the thumb ready to be behind the second finger. Let's try this on the G and D string. And to prove this, I'm going to switch cellos. Again, I haven't touched a cello all morning, and I don't even know if it's in tune. So I'm going to do the same method. Hand down, hand up. I'm going to find the harmonic. Right now, I have this thumb, and it's so easy to remember this. It's just a simple place. There's 6 places on the back of the neck for the thumb. This I remember. This is where I put the thumb because it's a lot of dealing with what that feels like in the arm and everything. I believe it's there. We're just going to touch with just my 4th finger on the D string on what is the G, the sol. That feels good. My thumb is right where it needs to be. I'm going to push down. Check with the open string. Last step, if you're like this, space your fingers back, thumb behind the second. Play 4, 3, 1, 0. Drop all 4. Check. And go down. If you can do that 5 times, then you would have known how to find again. Not only are we finding our harmonic, but we're aiming and we're putting our thumb here on the back of the neck, ready to align with our second finger. Try it.